come on, you guys are going to see it in like 5 minutes, right? I hope. But well, it's a great tagline that's used all across Thailand, and it just basically means that virtually everything is the same in every culture, every country, but there's some difference. So it's
What
the
is the
same thing
different
with.
element in your movie this time?
I don't know. I'm hoping it's the comedy. I'm hoping it's seeing Shreyas in a new romantic hero kind of light, and also for me, the different part is I haven't gone back to this wacky comedy genre since Bollywood Calling. So it's nice to
नागेश
get back.
लगता है कहीं ना कहीं एक एलिमेंट जो है कॉमेडी का जुड़ा रहता है आपकी फिल्म के साथ सब्जेक्ट कितना भी सीरियस है कॉमेडी इज ऑलवेज है
Well, I do try कि मेरी हर फिल्म में no matter how serious subject हो थोड़ा बहुत कॉमेडी का एलिमेंट ले आऊँ, पर ये पिछले फिल्म इकबाल और डोर की तरह नहीं है, ये आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है, और ऐसे कॉमेडीज़ में नॉर्मली जो कहते हैं बॉय मीट्स गर्ल, boy falls in love with girl and all's well that ends well, so that's what it is.
ट्रांजिशन
Nagesh,
क्यों
why Shreyas?
Well,
Why Shreyas? Shreyas seems
why
to be
not Shreyas?
He seems to be your favorite.
Well, see, every director has a favorite actor, and obviously with me repeating Shreyas in 3 different films, he without a doubt is a favorite actor. And in this film, you're going to see Shreyas in, like I said, the sweet, lovable boy next door, but also a guy who can woo a woman and fall in love with her. So,
How is it working with Leena?
oh, terrific, terrific. Lena Christensen is an amazing actress. Again, like I said, when you see the film, you'll find out. Not only is she an actress, but she's a dancer, she's a model, she's a singer, she's got her own album, she's got her own TV show in Thailand. Fantastic, wonderful, talented girl.
नागेश इस फिल्म में देख रहे हैं हम लैंग्वेज बैरियर भी कहीं ना कहीं है इन जनरल अगर इफ यू फॉल इन लव विद अ गर्ल डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड योर लैंग्वेज हाउ विल यू एक्सप्रेस इट कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे
Well, her relationship की, especially in love or romantic situation, the biggest thing is communication. तो मैं जब ये फिल्म लिख रहा था तो मैं इस चैलेंज को sort of I kept it in the back of my mind कि अगर the boy and the girl cannot speak their own language and they can only communicate with a few broken words of English, तो उनका रिश्ता कैसा बनेगा? And if you see that in the entire film, they don't speak each other's language. So that's sort of the one of the reasons why the film sort of ends up being a comedy and stuff like that.
Nagesh,
Now, my
after
question
that,
was-
मैंने सुना है कि you have like a lot of scripts ready and you just pick one of them. Like you pick this one as if you have comedy बनाए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया, so you just pick this one. Is it true?
वो ज़रूर होता है, मेरे पास काफ़ी स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं जो मैं ऑलरेडी ओवर द पिछले 3-4 साल या एक्चुअली 6-7 साल से लिख रहा हूँ, पर ये क्या होता है एक बार फिल्म रिलीज़ होते ही आई स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन समथिंग दैट आई हैव नॉट डन बिफोर, सो दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट फोकस कि आई डोंट रिपीट माई सेल्फ इन 2 इमीडिएट फिल्म्स. तो इस बार लाइक आई सेड इकबाल और डोर काफ़ी इमोशनल ड्रामेटिक फिल्म्स थे, तो उसके बाद आई वांटेड टू डेल्व इनटू समथिंग रियली लाइट एंड वैकी एंड बॉम्बे टू बैंकॉक वाज इट.
So is this
Nagesh, you are a very successful director, but still, do you feel anxious on the time of a premiere?
Oh yeah. See, there is a certain element of blocking the fear out and not worrying about the release. But no matter how carefully you do it, the last couple of days are the worst. So this morning I woke up with a complete panic attack, and that makes me feel good only because it shows that I still care about my product. And the biggest thing is I can control the making of the film, but I can't control what happens at the box office. So.
What is the kind of expectation out of this film?
With every film, you just hope that it works, but you can never ever predict the audience. So, you know, we're all keeping our fingers crossed and hoping for the best.
Nagesh is the next with Akshay Kumar?
Oh, I'm talking about Bombay to Bangkok. But yeah, I have a film with John and I have a film with Akshay. So, yeah.
Thank you.